Did you know you can send short text messages from your phone to your loved one's television screen by using the Jubilee TV app? In the app, tap on the Messages button. At the bottom of the screen, you can type in your message into the chat box. Click on the arrow on the right-hand side of the text box to send. Once your message has been sent, it's now going to appear on your loved one's television screen where they can easily read it. They can even reply to it by first clicking on the green plus sign with their remote and then holding down the microphone button as they speak into the remote with their response. Kava will type up their response onto the TV screen. It will then be sent to you where you can read it and you see, dinner was good. They had meatloaf again. This is an easy way for you to send quick messages back and forth to each other.